my personal goal, I want you all to leave here with at least one thing you can implement in your life immediately. And that's why I want to thank you all for showing up, because I was told a long time ago that 80% of the time, if you can just show up in life, you can get what you want. See, if you're somebody sitting down right now listening to the sound of my voice, if you have a dream, a vision, a passion, a goal, a purpose, you can have that. But sometimes all you got to do in life is show up. Most people never show up. See, you always have people that say, I want to do this, I want to do this, I want to do this, I want to. There's a lot of people right now that saying, I want to go to college. And guess where they're sitting? Home. And guess how far they stay? A block away. No excuse. You guys decided that, you know what, I want to go to college. So you did something about it. You showed up. So 80% of the time, if you can show up on time, you can have what you want. 85% of the time, if you can show up on time. See, a lot of times people show up to their purpose, passion, dreams, visions, goals, but they miss it because they showed up too late. And someone else is taking their opportunity. Learn how to show up and learn how to show up on time. See, a lot of times people think you need to be the smartest in the room. No, 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 no. I'm never the smartest person in the room. But you're not going to outwork me. See, I'm going to come early, and I'm going to stay late. You're not going to outwork me. What time you get up? 5? I'm going to get up 4. You start getting up 4, I'm going to get up 3. See, I'm going to get my edge on you. What time you go to bed? 12, I'm going to go to bed at 1. You're not going to outwork me. Because what I want in life, nobody's going to take that from me. And you guys got to have that mentality. And I want, once you all leave here today, to have that mentality that no matter what, I'm going to get it. 90% of the time, if you can show up on time with a plan. See, that's what I'm going to help you all with today. That's what your professors are here for. They help you with that plan. 95% of the time, if you can show up on time with a plan and then implement that plan. So you got to apply it. Because I'm going to tell you, from birth up until this exact moment right now, you've been hearing a lot of information. And it's good to hear information. However, information without application leads to fascination. I'll say it again. Information without application leads to fascination. So you can hear something that sounds great, and you're like, oh my God, that was amazing. You tweet it, you send it out, you make a meme about it, and guess what? You never do anything with it. But if you want to change your life, information with application, once you apply it, that leads to transformation. See, it's my job to help you all transform your life. It's my job to help you get from point A to point B. It's my job to help you reach that next level. If you have a plan, and if you're serious about it, and you're ready to take action, 95% of the time, if you can just implement it. But see, 100% of the time, if you can show up on time, implement that plan, but then execute it. That means live it every day. See, a lot of times people set New Year's resolutions. Y'all know those things. Y'all have any New Year's resolutions? Yeah, by February, they're gone. See, because people are thinking resolutions. I don't want you all to ever think resolution anymore. Think lifestyle. Think lifestyle. If you're saying you're going to work out, guess what? That's a lifestyle for you. If you're saying you're going to study, guess what? That's a lifestyle for you. Studying is not just when you're in school. Studying is all the time. You should see me now. Oh, I study everything now. I be walking around like, look at that ant. Oh my God. How is that ant so small, but yet the ant can pick up something way bigger than itself? I'm always learning. It doesn't matter. I could be at a red light and be like, I wonder who invented the red light. Google, Siri, who invented the red light? And then Siri tells me. Guys, you are always learning. Never stop learning. Always be a continuous student.